So now the sun is start coming. So if you guys like, I will take you in the back, and we're going to see Goshala. This Goshala is very amazing. I didn't plan to have a Goshala here.
Is
I
it
just
Kamdenu?
want to have a one cow,
Ah,
and I gave the name Maithili. Maithili is name of Sita, Janaki. She is from Mithila, so her name is
They
Maithili.
all go into Mithila, most of them.
And
Huh?
huh?
We Sadhu Sangha Mithila में किया
Oh, really?
last year. Yeah. Huh? How many of you?
Yeah, nice.
Sitamarhi,
They speak Maithili,
Darbhanga.
the language.
Huh?
Anyway,
Janakpuri.
after that, we have one lady was working here. She said, "My husband is sick. I cannot, no money. So please take care of my cow." So the other cow came with the baby Radha, and the baby named Parvati. And then after that, some other person said the same thing, that we have no money, so please take care. So one by one, we are then in the last summer was very hot. There was two cows were sitting in the MVT guest house for 4 days. Somebody said, please take care of them for a few days. I said, few days become few months and then year. Her name is Vaidegi. That's
And
also
Vaidehi.
Vaidegi. That's also name of Sita. I gave most of the names South Indian name. Now we have a new one born recently. I gave the name Madhuri. It's only 14 days old baby. Madhuri. We have Shamala. We have
This is name
Gopika.
of some flower, Madhuri.
Yes.
Huh?
Also honey.
Honey.
Madhur.
Madhu.
Madhur. So we have now
Madhuram.
12 cows.
Acha.
And they just here to take care of everything. Krishna is taking care of everything. So,
Take care of cows. They
Huh?
work very hard. Those who take care.
yeah, it's lots of work. It's not easy.
Yes.
So whole day
You have
work.
to become cow to have to
But-
take care of the cow. Somebody told me.
But
So
it's
anybody give me, I said, look, you want to serve Krishna, huh? Yes, yes. So keep your cow and serve. You will get benefit if you like. You in some of the you serve Krishna. That means you give me.
Anaya!
And I don't tell directly. You give me. Because I know nobody will work hard unless they take care of cow before. It's very, very hard work.
That's what Krishna says in
But
Bhagavad
Krishna will be
Gita.
very pleased.
Krishi Gauraksha Vanijam Vaishakarma Subhagajam. It's a quality of a Vaishnava. ये दरवाजा खोलो ये वाला दर्शन करेगा. So it's a duty of a Vaishya to take care of the cow. When you take care of cow, you will
Krishna
be
is
very
very pleased.
auspicious. Subhiksham. There will be lot of milk, and the whole place will be very wealthy. In those days, when a king fight the other kingdom, first they do is stealing cow, because cow is wealth. All the other wealth is no good. When Krishna was small boy, he comes every day from Gokul to Vrindavan, Ramanreti, 7 lakhs cow. And the cows are running, all the dirt goes in Krishna's head. So he is a supreme personality of Godhead, and he is so happy to see the cow dirt in his head. And this is the place, Ramanreti. So Prabhupada didn't want to have a temple anywhere. He wanted to have a temple for Krishna and Balaram. He always talked Krishna and Balaram like brothers. He said, oh, the brothers are here, like that. Very affectionate. And I remember somebody asked Prabhupada, what you would be if you go to Vaikuntha. And Prabhupada jokingly said, maybe
Go.
Subhag, something like that. He said, maybe Subhag. He said, I will be a coward boy. That's what he was. He said like that, right?
He poet wrote like this.
Oh, he writes
Yeah.
something?
He has in a Bengali song. When that day will come, I'll be rolling on the ground with you and playing. Lutoputi Khelbo, July.
Radhika was telling me also in Bengali, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he wrote some very nice Bengali poem.
Okay.
He said after he died, he wants to take a birth in Barsana, marry to a girl from Barsana. Thakur Bhakti Vinod. All of them not praying for mukti, liberation. All of them are praying, Ma Janmani Janmani, Bhaktar Bhakti. Simply praying, I want to become your devotee all my life. Even Kulasekar Arvar, one of the Arvar, praying in Mukundamala that I don't mind to take birth as long I remember you. So the devotees don't worry about where I'm going, not important. We can go so many places, whatever Krishna make plan, whatever the Guru Maharaj make plan. It's not important. Important how I can serve my Guru, how I can serve Krishna. That is important. Other things not so important. Just chant, take prasad, and dance. That's what Prabhupada said. You don't need to be very complicated. Simple, like Maharaj. Simple life. Chant Hare Krishna, take lot of rasagulla, and dance. Even at the last, Prabhupada is diabetic. Doctor tell him, no food for you for a week. Come Krishna Maharaj, so many people put fast. Prabhupada become very angry. Say, stop this. Starvation committee. So you call one Mataji. He said, make kachori, make rasagulla, gulab jamun. Eat very nicely. Going to go back to God, and what's the difference? You eat something, you're going to die anyway. So take prasadam and die. No problem. No restriction. You want to eat gulab jamun, offer to Krishna, eat. If you're going to die, then die. No problem. It's not important you live or you die. Important that you remember Krishna. So we have a little bit alteration going on in our house. So little messy. We have a beautiful deity. It's Gopal, and the other deity is Andal. Andal is one of the Alvar. She is also incarnation of Mahalakshmi. She born in the ground, just like Sita. So you all go take a little darshan with Maharaj, then come back. We will see the cow. Then you do whatever Maharaj tells you to do. Okay? All right. So you are in church coming tomorrow for prasad? You want to come for prasad tomorrow or day after? Where do you want to? You contact me. You tell me like that. And Amen. Okay. Come and take darshan. Maharaj, come.
No.
Radhika dress sometime when she comes.
Acha. Acha. Parvati. Giti. Hey, Ondal. Yeah. It's Krishna. Ek is Sitaram.
Krishna's name is Gopal.
Acha. And this is Sitaram.
Huh?
Sitaram.
Not really. My sister, she makes all this. This is Andar. This is supposed to be Krishna. It comes out like that.
Acha.
She makes all this doll.
Oh. Your daughter?
No, my sister,
Oh.
younger sister.
She comes?
She comes sometime. She lives in Bangalore.
Oh. अच्छा ये क्या राधा कृष्ण ये नारायण शीला
We had this Panchatattva 50 years. Parvati kept for.
अच्छा अच्छा अब देखो हाँ पार्वती ये
This
क्या
is, let me tell you, this is the stone from Radha Damodar. When they were renovating and they were throwing things away and they wouldn't give. So Mataji is very adventurous, so she stole few. So this is the place where Prabhupada sat on it before he went to America. Stone.
That is the veranda.
and that is stone
In the room.
अच्छा
So we made it into worshipable.
this stone for many years at Sri Radha Damodar Mandir, where he meditated on how to spread the holy name Krishna and Krishna consciousness around the world. अच्छा ये क्या गणेश
Ganesh.
गणपति
Ganapati remove all obstacles to serve Krishna.
अच्छा ये सब क्या है ये हनुमान
Yes.
गरुड़ा
Hanuman also.
हाँ ये
Garuda,
दिस इज ब्रह्मा
Lord Shiva.
शिव
It's from Mahabalipuram.
हाँ who did painting this who did sketch
No, this is a very old Pushkar, very old Prabhupada painting.
really
Very old. From 1970s.
अच्छा a sketch seems
Yeah.
like, huh? Nothing written who wrote it who did it
No, no.
usually they write
Yeah.
कृष्ण बलराम ये देखिए सरस्वती हाँ
You can come this way, Maharaj, if you want.
ये क्या है ये रामानुजाचार्य
That is Andar and her father. His name is Vishnu Chittar.
हाँ
He's also Periyarvar. He is incarnation of Garuda.
हाँ
So he is the one developed his daughter Andar into Bhakti Marg
अच्छा
to develop telling so many stories of Krishna.
हाँ
So she became attracted to Krishna. She said, I only marry Krishna, nobody else.
हाँ
So, because of her strong faith and her father's saying, if you believe that Krishna will come and marry you,
हाँ
then Krishna will come. So Sri Ranganath came and married her
हाँ
from Sri Rangam.
हाँ
So he developed that faith.
हाँ
Prabhupada also said that if you believe that Krishna can talk to you, he can talk to you, but we don't want to be Saghajya. But if you develop, just like Goswami, Madan Mohan, there's Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, they're able to, but they don't go out and brag about it. So we have to be very careful not to become Sahaj. Oh, I talked to Krishna yesterday, like that. We don't speak like that.
you speak anybody
Good. Even if you did, just like Madhavendra Puri, he ran out of town. Even though Krishna came and stole the thing, he doesn't want people to know. So that is the Baba we came from. Even Krishna spoke to you or Prabhupada spoke, we don't go around and tell people. Keep it to yourself. All right, we're going to see the cows now.
let's go see Vrindavan Goloka na Goloka Hari yes hey juta
Gita is here. Упр.
चश्मा और टाइम सबको भक्तों को प्रसाद होता
नो नो
ठीक
वो
टाइम
आज पे काज से
टाइम है
आज पे काज से बहुत लेट है 1 बजे
Your prasad is ready.
ओ आज एकादशी
हाँ, भक्तों का
Who has my phone?
हे वॉच आउट कम डाउन
My phone?
हाँ जी
Anaya?
हमारे लिए एकादशी इसका मतलब क्या
नहीं गुरु भक्तों का
कोई क्या अपीयरेंस है
गुरु आज काज से
वाह
Your prasad is ready whenever you want to.
अच्छा very nice
41 days?
हाँ look
New baby.
you are auspicious
Yeah.
taking milk you happen to be here
Hey, see, this is not even his daughter.
हाँ
Mightily give milk to all the children.
अच्छा
Ah,
काम देनु
this also, they drink milk from different cows whole day.
अच्छा
They don't see, I'm not this body.
हाँ जी is realize so
This is not his baby.
अच्छा look there is fan
She give
एक ये
mightily.
shower भी है
This is shower. This one,
हाँ
in the summertime, is a mist. It's like a air-conditioned cool air
हाँ
coming.
अच्छा
This is hot and cold shower for them.
अच्छा hot
Hot
hour
and cold, both.
yeah
And pressure water. It's like rain shower.
अच्छा
Huh.
हाँ
Aja, aja.
हाँ आजा
This is Subhadra.
अच्छा
milk cow taking milk
हाँ
No,
auspicious
this is a different baby.
डिवाइन का बेबी
This is not his
काम
baby.
देनु
Still drink. All cows
काम
drink
देनु
milk
है।
from everywhere.
ये सुरभि काउ hey very nice color
Dada,
राधा
sometime they jump
हाँ क्या जाम करता
this is Gopika.
अच्छा
That
गोपी का
is Yamuna. Very
Ah.
mischievous. That
देखो
is
ये आइस
Vasundari.
कैसा करता है इसके पास नहीं जाना चाहिए हाँ? गुस्सा हो जाता बच्चा को तुम धोखेगा
first time see so many people
इतना पीपल कभी देखा नहीं
This is Subhadra.
हाँ सुभद्रा
Subhadra, Badmash.
बदमाश
ये भी बदमाश है।
ये?
ये 20 दिन का है।
हाँ 20 दिन हुआ
उसका उसका नाम रखा है माधुरी।
माधुरी
हम्म,
मधुमती
हाँ। बच्चों लोग के साथ खेलता है। उसका नाम वसुंधरी।
अच्छा वसुंधरी अरे देख
ये
रहा
राधा।
राधा
वो जमुना के पैदा हुआ। They're all very straight cows. They don't hurt anybody.
हाँ हाँ ये सब
During the
देसी
day,
देसी काऊ ना
all desi cow, we just because they are eating, otherwise all day they are loose, no tight.
ये क्या फोटो है इधर हम देख नहीं सकता नहीं लाइट के रिफ्लेक्टिंग राधा कृष्ण
Look like Vrinda Devi.
ओ हाँ हाँ जोग पीटे लोग भी
हाँ, लोग
ये
जोग पीटे लोग
ए होशियार बहुत नीच दिखे मन हटिया
Whoever has my camera, take photo.
ये क्या है फोटो ले लो ये नंद बाबा है यहाँ का नंद बाबा का फोटो लो गौआ को सर
महाराज का। आजा मधुरी।
ये देखो ये
महाराज का
दूध पीता है नहीं ये बहुत शुभ लक्षण है ये देखिए
शुभ लक्षण।
ये देखो इसका
पूरा
तिलक
दिन
भी है।
पीता है लोग।
हाँ ये देखो तिलक है इसका
ये मैथिली है ना, ये
मैथिली।
सबका माँ है, सबको देता है।
हाँ सबको दूध खिलाता ये सुरभि का हो नहीं हाँ काम देनु अरे बहुत अच्छा है
वजन बहुत है
हाँ
हाँ। सवेरे सवेरे का मूत्र सबसे बढ़िया है,
अच्छा you take
बेस्ट।
I used to take
Sometime, yes.
before हाँ। लीवर
It's
के
the
लिए
best.
अच्छा लीवर के लिए अच्छा
राधिका से इट्स द बेस्ट। माधुरी।
मधुरी मधुमती
माधुरी।
आपको उधर गौआ है हाँ, बच्चा है बच्चा भी है दूध देता है जो
This is the duty of a Vaishnava to take care of cow. And especially in Vrindavan, there is no difference between cow, human, monkey, dog, tree also, stone also. All the sages, they pray, let me take birth even as a stone, so the devotees can walk over me. So this is the Baba all the great devotees have. They don't want to be some Maharaj. They want to be anything. Because it's all spiritual, there is no difference. You may have cow body, tree body, or baby, human, all same in Vrindavan. This is the last birth, then they go to Vaikuntha. All right.
All right, chalo.
Thank you all for coming. If you are here, you can come anytime and visit our cows. Enjoy.
Everybody, Dandavat. ये ब्रजवासी है